How to fix can't join an invitational league and cups in FPL. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you are not able to join an invitational league and cups in FPL, then watch this video till the end. The first thing you should know is that in order to join the Invitational League, you actually require the auto join link or the code. If you do not have the code or the link, you will not be able to join the Invitational League. Once you have the code, you want to open the PL app on your device, which you can very easily download from Play Store or App Store. Then tap on the Fantasy option and make sure you have signed into your FPL account. Scroll down and you have the Leagues and Cups section. Tap on Join League option. You have two different types of league here, invitational and public. You do not need any code to join the public league. However, for the invitational league, you require the invitational league code, which only the admin can provide. So if you do not have the code, you will not be able to join the league. So you want to request the admin for the code. Once you have the code, you simply want to paste the code over here. Once the code has been pasted, tap on Join a League option. Now, if you are facing the error while joining the league, you want to make sure that the code you have entered is valid. You also want to confirm with the admin whether or not the league is still accepting members or if the league has expired. Once you enter the correct code and the league is also valid, you should be able to join that league. However, if you are not able to join it, then what you want to do is simply head over to your settings. Tap on Apps, tap on PL, then tap on Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache. Once all of this is done, go ahead and try to join the Invitational League again. If you are still not able to join, then you might want to try joining another Invitational League. And these are some ways on how you can fix this problem. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.